Are you tired of relying on fossil fuels to power your home or business? Are you looking for a more sustainable and environmentally friendly energy source? Well, you're in luck because wind turbines might be the solution you're looking for. But what exactly are wind turbines and how do they work? Wind turbines consist of a tall tower with a rotor at the top that is made up of 3 blades. As the wind blows, it causes the blades to turn, which drives a generator that produces electricity. These turbines are typically mounted on tall towers in order to take advantage of the stronger and more consistent winds found at higher altitudes. The height of the tower and the length of the blades are designed to maximize the amount of wind energy that can be captured and converted into electricity. Inside the turbine, the rotor is connected to a gearbox, which increases the rotational speed of the blades and drives a generator. This generator is typically an alternating current generator, which produces electricity that is compatible with the electrical grid. The electricity is then sent to a transformer, which increases the voltage and prepares it for transmission over long distances. Wind turbines are typically connected to the electrical grid and provide power to homes, businesses, and other facilities. They can also be used in off-grid applications, such as in remote locations where there is no access to the electrical grid. In these cases, the electricity generated by the wind turbine can be stored in batteries or used to power devices directly. Wind turbines can be used to generate electricity on a small scale, such as in a residential or small business setting, or on a larger scale, such as in a wind farm. Wind farms are large collections of wind turbines that are used to generate electricity for a community or region. Wind turbines are a clean and renewable energy source that can help reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. They do not produce any emissions and do not contribute to air pollution or climate change. They are also a relatively low-maintenance energy source, with most wind turbines requiring only periodic inspections and maintenance. However, there are also some challenges associated with wind energy. Wind turbines can be noisy, and some people may be concerned about the impact on wildlife, particularly birds and bats. In addition, wind turbines require a consistent and strong wind in order to generate electricity efficiently, which may not be available in all locations. Wind turbines are a promising technology that can play a significant role in our transition to a clean and renewable energy future. By harnessing the power of the wind, we can generate electricity without contributing to air pollution or climate change, and help create a more sustainable and secure energy future for ourselves and future generations. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.